Okay, so I was the first person to back the Kickstarter program of Printxel printer by Billy Zelsnack, and it just arrived today. So this is the box, and as you can see, that's how it looks when it was packed. I've kind of touched a couple things before the video, but this is how it came. So, what do we have here? We have this. A lot of bubble wrap, which is nice. Static bag. And we have the base. The spare parts bag from the video with the gears and the tie tags and stuff. We have the base, which is assembled. I thought it was going to be unassembled. We have the Aztec X1 electronics board and his little daughter board. We have these, I'm assuming, are the Z ends. Little motor, plastic parts, all assembled. Pulleys are nice and tight. These are kind of loose, but I'm assuming there's a reason for that. Here's the other one. Motors, belts. These aren't loose. I'll just tighten them up. Here we have the Y axis. Which is nice. It's been used a couple times, which is also nice. Might need some lubing. This is the X-axis. A lot of wires. My wife would like that. String. Plastic parts of the extruder there. Nice. Tightening. We have various and sundry types of plastic: gray, dark gray, white, purple, translucent blue. Nice assortment. Let's see here. Oh, and I guess the hot end and stuff like that are in this bag. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.